Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in the Ozarks, and today we are gonna make a ranch hand ribeye sandwich, and it's gonna be delicious. So let's do it. I'm gonna get my skillet on about medium heat, and I'm gonna put some bacon up in it. I love this stuff. So we're gonna put a little bit of this, and get that nice and hot. While that's getting warm, I'm gonna cut up an onion. Just gonna thinly slice this. Throw our onions in now. Oh yeah. I'm also gonna add a little bit of, you know it, butter. Ooh. Yeah, my onions is strong. Now I'm gonna add some of this that I found. Grill Master Butcher. Cracked pepper, sea salt, and garlic. You know, I just try everything. I just see this stuff and I think, oh yeah, that would be good. So let's do this. And I'm gonna do a little bit of the steak seasoning. Maybe a good tablespoon. You're gonna cook your onions until they are nice and soft and translucent, just however soft you like them. If you still want a little bit of a crunch to your onion, just don't cook them as long. These are looking really good. I've been cooking them on medium high. And now I'm gonna add my shaved ribeye. This is my shaved ribeye. This is over in the meat department. I found this over in the frozen section actually, and they have all different brands, but I like this one. This is a 12-ounce package. So we're just gonna throw this in here. Still a little bit frozen. Whoopsie. It won't take long. So I'm gonna throw a lid on this, turn it down on low. This is not gonna take long at all. Now we're going to toast our bread. I just got these white sub rolls, super easy. You can get whatever kind of bread you'd like. Hoagie buns. I just found these over in the deli section. Cut them open. Throw some butter in your skillet and get it nice and hot. Get this in here, and you want to soak up as much butter as you can. Mo butter, mo better. Let this toast for a little bit. Take the lid off and then just stir this around. It defrosted really quick. Add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, just a few drops of that for flavor. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I'm gonna add some cream style horseradish sauce. Now you can find this over by the ketchups and all the sauces where the Worcestershire sauce is. There's a half a jar in here, so it's probably about 3.5 ounces because I've already done this once. We made these the other day, Greg and I, and oh my gosh, they were so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the other half of the jar in here. And if you wanna use just regular horseradish and give it an extra bite, I'm sure that will be good too. But this gave it just the right amount that it needed. All right, so I'm just gonna mix this in. Still a little medium in some places, which is fine by me. Let's go get the bun. I toasted it on both sides. I flipped it over and put it on both sides. Now I'm gonna use 2 different kinds of cheeses. You don't have to, you can use whatever you want, but I have some fresh Longhorn cheese, which sounds so good on there. So let's do that. There we go. Right there. That's good. A little bit of freshly sliced provolone. And that meat is still warm, so that is gonna melt our cheese on there. Ooh, god dang, that looks good. Oh yeah. That is delicious. Holy moly. It's bold. It's a bold sandwich with all the seasoning, the steak seasoning, the black pepper, the Worcestershire, and the horseradish, creamy horseradish. Oh my gosh, it's a bold sandwich, but it is so dang good. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. You guys, go make this. You're gonna love it. And remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today. We'll see ya.